Ho, 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 ho. Hi, friends. It's your old pal Singing Santa. And today I have a beautiful book for us to read. It's called Santa Paws. And look, these are the Paw Pals. Let's open this together and go on a reading adventure. Peering out the window, watching snowflakes fall, I wait for Santa to bring fun gifts for all. This Santa's beard is really soft fur. Instead of ho, 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 he loves to say purr. From the tops of our heads to the tips of our toesies, these warm scarves and hats will keep us all cozy. Let's trim the tree with glittery balls. We'll string up lights and deck the halls. Angels asleep, angels awake. Angels watch over us till daybreak. Let's all gather round to sing a jolly song. This piano-playing kitty will help us along. Puppies chase kittens, kittens chase mice. Have you been naughty or have you been nice? I'm knitting a gift for you, my dear friend. It's the thought that counts, not how much you spend. This little helper is all tired out from guiding Santa on his gift-giving route. Oh, what a great story. Did you like today's book? Me too. Do you like cats or dogs more? Or do you like them the same? Oh, that's good. Well, I want to thank you again so much for reading with me. Again, my name is Singing Santa. Click subscribe on this channel because we celebrate Christmas every day of the year. I post Christmas stories like this, and I get my guitar and we do some singing. I'll see you again real soon. Bye. Ho, 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 ho. Subscribe now. It's free. Ho, 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 ho.